You're really going to want to pay attention to what kind of tires these guys are running and which does better on this track that we have here tonight. So we did have an event last week at Raccoon Township there, but here we go with our first 4,500-pound mini truck. How about it? For the 4,500-pound mini trucks, 254.58. We're going to see if they're going to keep the sled there or maybe make some adjustments. Coming out here running as an exhibition. We've got the green light, the green flag. Here we go with Mccloy and K.D. There you go, Dodge fans. That's the pole for you. 280.18. Since the beat for these mini trucks, 280. All right, looks like he looks up ready to rock and roll. The green light on the sled and the green flag here from the track official. This is EMERY with Neighbors Complete. Not a bad run for Neighbors Complaint, 270.53, 270.53. Chevy fans, this is your truck. Let's cheer them on, Mike Emery. The 1984 Chevy song, Neighbors Nightmare. .93, 256.93. All right, this is taking lead. Jack Johnson. Just screaming down the track, 288.95, 288.95.